Hey Alexa, show me the latest movies.
Getting movies from Fire TV.
Hi there, it's Tom and I'm going to show you how you can control your Amazon TV Fire Stick, or is it your Amazon Fire TV Stick, completely hands-free. So you won't have to use the remote that comes with it, which is quite useful because, as we all know, remotes do go missing. And I'm going to show you how you can control it with either the echodot 2nd generation or their latest 3rd generation echodot. And I'll show you some examples at the end of this review.
First of all, you need to download and install the Amazon Alexa app to your smartphone. After you've installed the app, click on the devices icon to find your echodot settings. Now click on Change to set up your Wi-Fi network. And press Continue. Now apparently, after a short while, you should see an orange light around your echodot, which means setup mode has been activated. If this doesn't happen, and it didn't happen for me, you can manually activate it by pressing the action button down for 6 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Now in setup mode. Please follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Now we need to go into our smartphone settings, select the Amazon network.
You've connected. Now, go back to the Alexa app.
Now select your Wi-Fi network.
This device is ready.
Well, hey.
So that's all there is to it. And this method will work whether you've got the old 2nd generation echodot or the very latest 3rd generation echodot. So now let me show you some examples.
Hey Alexa, play Yes Man movie.
Getting Yes Man from Prime Video.
No, thank you. Costume party. Yeah, no.
Hey Alexa,
Oh boy.
fast forward 15 minutes.
Here we go. Use your phone.
Hey Alexa, movies with Michael Caine.
Getting Michael Caine movies from Fire TV.
These are just a couple of examples of how you can search the many apps available from your Amazon Fire TV Stick. You can search for games, music, the news and weather, and much more. And don't forget to select the HDMI channel with your TV remote that your Fire TV Stick is plugged into first.
Well, thanks for making it to the end of my video. I really appreciate that. And that means there's probably a fair chance that you might thumbs it up. And even better, you might subscribe. Well, I hope you can do both, because I have got a lot more reviews to come and I'm sure you'll be interested in them, including my next review will be a comparison of Amazon's echodot smart speakers. And I'll be comparing their 2nd generation echodot with their new 3rd generation echodot. And asking the question, is it worth buying the new generation, 3rd generation? Or if you have the old echodot, is it worth upgrading to the new one? What's a smart speaker? Well, Go on. It's a very clever device. It'll play music, dim your lights, and you can control it with your voice. Really? Yeah. It will even do your ironing for you. Wow. Well, how do I find out more? Or subscribe. Then you'll be the first to watch it. Okay, count me in.